Confidence doesn't take years to build. It takes one step, proving to yourself that you can follow through. Here's a fast way to start right now. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me three simple confidence building actions I can take today and a daily tracker to go with it." Then you will get a custom plan that helps you show up for yourself starting today. Because confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about keeping promises to yourself even when you're scared. If you want a full step-by-step method to make your confidence unshakable, check out the confidence challenge I linked down below. It walks you through 5 powerful steps from rewiring your mindset to taking bold action. With personal support and practical tools like one-on-one coaching, business templates, and daily mindset boost so you can actually finish. The link's in the description if you're ready to stop second guessing and finally trust yourself.